Hey, what's up? It's Patrick with Ritual Colorado, and today we're going to talk to you about the Elephant family, some of our favorite everyday glass rigs. We're going to take you through the 3 different models and what they come with, and then also walk you through an unboxing and assembling your very own elephant cage. There's 3 different pieces of glass in the Elephant family. We've got the baby elephant, the naked elephant, and the elephant cage. The baby elephant is the smallest of the 3, has 2 14mm connections, and a simple circ perk on the bottom. Looking at the other ones, the glass is the same for both the naked elephant and the elephant cage, with the only difference being the aluminum cage enclosure. So let's go ahead and open up a new elephant and see what it looks like when you receive it in the mail. So first off, we've got our flexible silicone mouthpiece that we're going to set right here. Then we've got 2 glass plugs. This makes it really easy for cleaning to plug up all the holes so you can just shake the alcohol inside of there. We've got a clip, a plastic cat clip, as well as the glass mouthpiece. And then the final thing inside of the box here is going to be the naked elephant itself. So we pull out this glass, get it unwrapped. So here's our naked elephant and all of the accessories that come with it. No matter which version of the elephant you're going to get both a glass mouthpiece as well as a flexible silicone one, so you've got tons of options for how to use it. Now, the glass and accessories for the naked elephant and the elephant cage are identical with the exception of the aluminum cage enclosure. So on the naked elephant, you do get this larger spherical glass piece, which has a more complex matrix perk in the bottom. And then additionally, you have 1 extra connection up top. So the 2 connections for your bowl and for your mouthpiece are the same size. And then the pass-through adapter here is going to be 1 size down from that, either a 14 or a 10mm pass-through. So let's go ahead and install a cage together. And then we're going to pop this naked elephant inside of it just to show you what that looks like. When you receive your elephant cage, you'll have this 1 cube box, which is the naked elephant and all the glass accessories. And then you've got this flatter box, which is going to be the cage. So inside of the cage box, we've got a couple different pieces here. There's the aluminum plate that is the base. There's the aluminum plate that is the top of your cage, the 4 posts, and then the 4 screws that are going to hold it all together. So we'll go ahead and get this all unwrapped and show you how it goes together. Alright, now that we've got our cage unwrapped, you can see here we've got the base plate, which has a rubber pad, which is where your glass is going to sit. And then we've got the top plate, and likewise that has a rubber connection where your glass sits on it. And then we've got the 4 posts and the screws. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our base plate, and if you take the rubber side, which is ultimately going to be pointing up, and point it down, then you can just go ahead and drop these posts in all 4 corners. Now, I will mention for you that the aluminum posts here do have a little bit of a screw in and out on the end cap here. So if you do ever need to extend it, or you want to just give yourself a little more room to get the screws to catch when you're installing, you do have some wiggle room there. So we'll go ahead and drop our 4th one in here and then flip it over so we're right side up. And I am going to actually install over on the flat table surface here instead of doing it on top of the Alright, now that you have all 4 of the posts inserted, then the next step is taking your naked elephant and dropping it right in the middle. And I like to get over top of it a bit and just check to make sure that it's sitting square and in the middle. You will have the ability to adjust this as you screw on that top piece. So then we'll take the top plate, and with the rubber ring facing the glass to protect it, we'll go ahead and drop that right on top. And then the posts actually sit, they're nestled up inside of the top plate. And when you're installing it, I like to go in with the screws and do opposite corners first, and just give it kind of a half turn so that it catches. And then once you have all 4 screws engaged, then you can go through and tighten them down. So we'll start here at this corner. Got some catch there, and now we will move opposite. And you can see I'm just kind of moving the post around underneath and trying to find the screw. and you can feel it. You'll feel the tension when it catches. So now we've got 2 of those caught. The other thing is, if it's sitting, perfect. So now we've got 2 of those screws engaged. We'll go in for the 3rd one here. All right, I feel that. And then finally, we will go over to our 4th corner and get that screw working with us. There we go. And so now that I have all 4 screws engaged, you can see it's holding itself in place, but I haven't fully tightened it down. Now I'll go through and just tighten them all down equally. As you're doing this process, you can make sure your glass is perfectly centered in there, that the connections are coming out evenly on the cutouts on either side, and then you can just go tighten the screws. And that is how you install an elephant cage. We hope you really love the Elephant family of glass. They're some of our favorite. They're really fun. They're also really functional. With the big spherical body, you get really nice cooling in addition to the good airflow through. So hope you enjoy them. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.